What's up, guys? Today we are making some turkey meatballs and a mushroom kind of stew sauce. So let's get to it. So we're going to start by taking our ground turkey. I use Jenny O because it's super lean. And then we're going to add in our minced garlic, our shallots. We're going to add in our lemon zest, our rosemary, and then just some pepper, and then we're just going to mix all of that together. And then once all of it is completely combined together, we're going to form them into our meatballs. And I think I got around like 16 or 17 meatballs from this. So just form your meatballs. While that's happening, I cooked like some bacon in the oven, but you can just do bacon bits. So we're going to melt some butter on our pan, and then on medium-high heat, we're going to cook our meatballs on each side for 5 minutes. So the first half that I did it, I didn't cover them and then flip them over until they're like browned on the bottom. And then I put the lid on for the second half just because I feel like that always cooks like any meat through a lot better. Take those off, and then you're going to drain any excess liquid, and we're going to melt some more butter and then cook our garlic until it's fragrant, and then add our minced mushrooms and some more lemon zest. And we're just going to mix all of that up, and we're going to let that sit and cook for about 4 minutes on its own. After it's been cooking for 4 minutes, we're going to add in our broth. We're going to add in our coconut milk and then our garlic powder. And we're going to add in our tapioca slurry, and you're just going to let that sit, and we're going to let it simmer until it starts getting a little thick. So you can see here it definitely thickened up. If there are any tapioca, like spots of the tapioca flour where they're chunky, just break them up into the sauce. And then we're going to add our meatballs back in, and we're going to let that sit and simmer for I did about 6 minutes. And then once it's done, we're just going to put it in a bowl. We're going to add some fresh bacon on top, or like I said, you can do bacon bits, and then some rosemary. And that's it. It looks super soupy, but it's not that soupy. It does thicken up, and it was honestly really delicious. If you guys like this video, like, rate, subscribe, and bon appetit.